Hi everyone, it's Jack from Jack's English, and today I'm going to give you my big tip for increasing your vocabulary. So let's get straight into today's video. So as you can see by the video title, this is all about how to increase your vocabulary effectively. So what is my big tip? It's the word bank. The word bank. You've heard me talk about it before. I've mentioned it several times on my podcast. So in today's class, I'm going to tell you what the word bank is, how you can use it, and then I'm going to give you my free template that you can use at home. So let's start by looking at what the word bank is. The word bank is simply a way to store the vocabulary and expressions that you learn. The problem is we very often learn things, but they're not stored logically, so we can't remember them, we can't recall them in conversation. With the word bank, using my template, you can keep all of your vocabulary and expressions in the same place within the same subject. And that way, when you talk about that subject, it will be easier to recall. So that's what the word bank is and why. Now I'm going to show you how to use my template effectively. Firstly, you need to know what topics you cover. You don't have to plan all of this in one go. You can add topics as you go. But firstly, I'm going to show you my list that I cover here in my office. So here's my list of 20 subjects that I cover. Now, as you can see, there's so many topics and some of them can fall into other topics, but this is the list that I like to use. I think this is the most effective for my students. So you can see on here, monarchy, environment, health, mental health, physical health. I think we need to divide these. So this is my list of topics. Now, with this list, we need to use this for my template. So here's my free gift to you. This is my template that I use with my students. It's simple, but you can find the download, the link in this video description, and please use it, make the most of it. As you can see, at the top, we need to put the topic. So let's say the environment. Today we are studying the environment. So we put environment at the top. We learn words connected to the environment. So obviously on the left-hand side, you put the vocabulary you learn. I do think it's a good idea to next put a translation. I think that really helps you to fully understand the word and recall it. The next column is for collocations. And collocations are a group of words that are commonly used with that vocabulary. This is important because this is the way you will see the word while you're studying. It's also the way you can memorize the word and actually use it. So for example, if we learn the word parachute, you'll very often see open parachute. Parachute fails to open. Finally, we have example sentences. Obviously, it's great if you can get some example sentences that uses that word because it helps you understand it. So let's do an example using this free template. Firstly, topic, environment. We already decided that. So we learned the word pollution. So in the first column, you'll put the word pollution. Then translate it into your language. I can't help you with that. So you've got your word, you've got your translation, now collocation. So what are some collocations with the word pollution? Air pollution, water pollution, the cause of pollution, a source of pollution. These are some common collocations using the vocabulary pollution. Finally, we need an example sentence. Air pollution in Seoul has become a serious problem of late. This is my example sentence. You can try any example you want. So that's how to use my free template. Please download, and then in the next section, I'll show you how to organize these templates. So finally, how do we organize all these templates? Perhaps we have 20 now, with those topics that I gave you. So how do we organize it? It's up to you. But my suggestion is a folder like this one here. Now, with this folder, this is a folder that contains 20 sleeves. This is just my preference. You can manage it how you want, but it contains clear plastic sleeves. In these clear plastic sleeves, there are 20, so you can put one subject in each sleeve. Each sleeve has a lot of capacity, so you can build up plenty of information within one sleeve, within one topic. That's my suggestion. As I said, totally up to you. You can use a binder, or you can do it all digitally. A lot of my students do that as well. Okay, you're all set. I've explained what a word bank is. I've explained why it's important. I've given you my template, and then I've told you how to organize your word bank. So please review this video, download my template, and start your new habit of studying new words and expressions and putting them into your new word bank. Good luck. I really hope this works for you and helps you increase your vocabulary effectively. So thanks so much for watching today's video. As always, I really appreciate it. And I also appreciate it if you give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more content and more free structures and free templates in the future. Have a wonderful week and see you very soon. Bye-bye.